The dog slept in the bed. The man slept on the floor. The young boy slept in the hammock. The worker slept for 2 hours in the office. She should have been working. The child slept in a child seat in the back of the car. The teenager slept in class. The man slept on the couch. The man slept on the sofa. The baby slept in the father's arms. The puppies slept for a long time. The woman slept standing up. The woman slept on her back. The horse slept on the grass. The man slept under the duvet. The lion slept on the rock. The woman slept with a sleeping mask on. The student slept in the library. The woman slept with her feet up on the desk. The cat slept on the leaves. The man slept on his stomach. The woman slept in a sleeping bag in a tent. The mother slept next to her baby. The woman slept with a neck pillow. The woman slept on her side. The sick patient slept in a hospital bed. The traveler slept for the whole flight. The couple slept in the back of the van. The woman slept on a tree branch. The homeless man slept outside in the cold. The woman slept on the train. The man slept in the dog house with his dog. The couple slept back to back. The baby slept in the cot while his mother watched over him. The dogs slept in front of the fire. The woman slept while listening to music.